Hey everybody, as promised, I have box 2 of 2017 Leaf Perfect Game National Showcase. 25 autographs per box, nothing but autographs in this. 25 cards, 25 autographs, including a couple of patches and a couple of these good looking parallels, and if we're lucky, maybe a 101. I've pulled a couple of 101s out of the 2018 product, but this is the first time, well, this is the second time I'm opening 2017. So I haven't opened enough of this yet to pull a 101, but someday. So I'm hoping this, my last box was okay. I'm hoping this one will be a little bit better than that one. That one was a little bit. I mean, there was a couple of players I recognized, which is about the best I can hope for at this point, since I'm not like a big time prospector or anything. But I'm hoping for a few more out of this round. So there's my box. Looks like 3 thick patch cards down at the bottom. Alright. Let's do this, and this, and this. Then we'll just throw them into the, not throw them literally. There's another one of those little leaf promo things. I've got a couple of these now. I'm going to hold on to them and see if I can ever use them somewhere. Let me turn these around. Alright, we're going to start off, let me go ahead and tell you the gold ones, instead of me calling out the numbering, they're all numbered out of 25, or yellow, gold, whatever. And the black, gray, whatever, out of 50. So, starting off with Isaiah Thomas, Hayden Milling, Hudson Haskin, Yomil Masonette, Bradley Polinsky, Jack Friedman. Now here's one I did not get out of the last box. It looks like I've got 2 of them. A blue, Lane Flam, out of 10. That's funny though, because the next is also blue, but it's out of 15. Kingston Liniak. Back to yellow / gold. I think these are actually called gold. I'm not entirely sure. Can't remember. Xavier Valentin, out of 25. Drew Williamson. And that's funny. This, I said these are all out of 50. This is out of 40. They're throwing me curveballs here. Nicholas Northcutt, out of 40. Kennedy Norton, Ty Madden, Kevin Vargas, Justin Stewart, Lindsay Delgado, Wesley Sweat, I guess, or Sweat, looks like Sweat. Alright, now we're going to get into the goodies. We have Christian Scott. And this is numbered 7 out of 15. Slade Ciccone, I guess that's what that says. 7 out of 12. Love the wave parallels, those look good. Cameron Ojeda. This blue is numbered out of 30. Alright, we have a patch. 2-color Connor Scott with a piece of all 1. That's cool. 12 out of 20. There's a 5 out of 5. Luis Roberto Guzman. Preston Hartzell patch. 7 out of 20. Osiris Johnson, 4 out of 5. And our last card is Ryan Bliss, 3 out of 5. So again, no 101. Oh well. If they were easy to pull, they wouldn't be worth anything, would they? So that's it. Another box. Just what I was looking for. Lots of prospects, plenty of value, fun to open, hit after hit after hit. Can't ask for much more than that out of the cards that we pay for. So that's it. 2017 Leaf Perfect Game National Showcase. Woo! I've got some more Leaf products I'm going to open for you guys soon. I got all kinds of stuff coming. So, as usual, card crackhead, I'm telling you. Somebody's going to stage an intervention on me soon. I'm sure of it. But for now, we're going to keep rolling with this. Everybody take care. Hope you're doing well. I'll be back with my next break soon.